What's up guys, this is Mental Dude and today I'm going to be reviewing this. Now, those of you who have watched every video will recognise that the first video I ever did was a review of three volcano sets. Now, it is pretty bad, so I decided why not redo all three. So this is the first one. Yeah, so this is a proper one. Yeah. The other two will be coming up at some point, and yeah. So let's start off with this figure. Nice little face. Oh, actually, it's standing up normally. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Wait, let me. Ah, cool. Cool. It comes through one of these, which if you split it open, there's a little crystal inside. Nice blue. Yeah. And we come to the truck itself. There's a little hook on the back. Nice little drill so it can go. Yeah. You remove this. And the guy sits in here like so. Yeah, this can move forwards. That popped out because, to tell you the truth, mine is slightly broken. Yeah, I don't know where. See, I've been experiencing a bit of problems with it, and I don't know whether. Sorry, sorry, and I don't know whether it's me or what, but yeah. So yeah, me. Dilophosaurus. For the record, Dilophosaurus isn't that big. T-Rex. Let's get a back view of the T-Rex. Yeah. That does look cool. So yeah. I think... Yeah, so the next video is going to be... Well, I will tell you what the next video is going to be, but... Well, let's just say that it is going to be... either that or that. Yeah, it's going to be one of these two. I don't know which one yet. It could be 50-50. Or it might be neither. It might be Mammoth Stomper. And yes, I did literally just have to run and cross the room quickly. I'm like Yes, yeah. Don't know why I'm doing this. Anyway, so yeah. Also, you may have noticed that my Lego isn't there. Well, let me show you where it is. There it is. Sorry about the bad lighting. It's just, well, yeah. So yeah, yeah, what happened was I decided that people were complaining about my Lego being in the way a lot, so yeah. In case you're wondering what's in here, that is actually quite a lot of my Lego and this is sagging. That is a Lego head. This is a few loose models. So yeah, so we got a lot of Lego in this one. You can see that there's quite a bit in here, and we got some of the newer stuff in here, plus the lot. It's kind of funny because you can actually see it better through the camera, which is weird because usually you say, oh, well, you probably can't see this because I'm through the camera, but no, for once it's actually looking quite... that digger's looking a little bit yellower. Yeah. No, it doesn't seem to be too distorted, yeah. Yeah. So I'm probably going to wrap it up around about here. So this is Mental Dude signing off. Bye. Also, I forgot to mention this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Also, leave a comment. As long as it's not out mean. Otherwise, I shall send a hungry velociraptor after you. And it shall eat all the food in your cupboards. And then it will eat your food again. I don't know, I'm losing it. So yeah, this is Mental Dude signing off.